MarketSpace, an ambitious Singapore-based startup with Russian roots, has recently made a visual designer construction kit publicly available, and started a 3D design competition among its users promising massive token rewards. In addition, the platform has cooperation agreements with such partners as Jaguar Land Rover, Gasjeans, Desigual, Trisati, Baldinini, Patricia Pepe, Lujo, D-Stress, Satorison and others. Therefore, there is no need for a soft cap installation. Imaginary Rooms and Rent Tokens, founded in 2015, MarketSpace is showing great promise, and it is one of a few VR startups that has decided to develop a platform built on its own blockchain. The project represents itself as one-of-a-kind platform where anyone can create their own 3D website, a unit that is compatible with VR in a fast and easy way. This also has applications in business-to-business transactions. Users can apply the model for business, e-commerce and communities. Following the project's roadmap, a concept development decentralization platform was finished in July 2017. And in the end of 2017 the project launched a 3D constructor for users. On February 9, 2018, MarketSpace management announced a virtual real estate contest for the project's participants. The so-called Best Apartment contest allows all registered users to create from scratch a 3D and VR-compatible online web space, or unit, as the company calls it. According to the announcement, the contest will end on February 28, 2018 and will include 3 nominations: Best Creative Job, Best Content, and Community Favorite. The most popular submissions in each nomination will be awarded a large amount of MRK tokens, the platform's internal currency. Submissions are to be published either on Facebook or Twitter, with all votes coming from the platform's large community, the announcement says. Make it real, virtually. According to the project's white paper, the MarketSpace universe consists of multiple VR spaces units, in which each unit can be linked directly to its own top-level domain. The property right to the units is guaranteed by recording all transactions involving units creation, sale, purchase or rental on the blockchain, says the white paper. All unit owners may buy, sell or rent the units to others using smart contracts. The startup has already invested more than $5 million USD of personal funds in the development of the platform and currently has a working prototype. The first stage of MarketSpace token sale closed on February 7, 2018, and the company has succeeded to raise $7 million. The hard cap of this stage was $35 million. The second stage is planned for January 2019, after the goal of blockchain implementation will be reached. An internal currency, the MARK token (MRK), is a utility token allowing all users to sell and buy VR spaces and objects, consume various goods and use services, pay salaries to their employees and to buy advertisements to promote the businesses through the platform. Disclaimer: Cointelegraph does not endorse any content or product on this page. While we aim at providing you all important information that we could obtain, readers should do their own research before taking any actions related to the company and carry full responsibility for the decisions. Nor this article can be considered as an investment advice.